it's possible. Affordable quality care for every woman, from adolescence to menopause. Don't believe it? Come with me. Let me introduce you to a team of doctors whose motto in life is to provide best quality care to every section of the society and make it affordable too. Hello, doctor. Doctor, I've heard so much about South Bangalore OBGYN. Can you please tell us more about this?
South Bangalore OBGYN Doctors and Associates has been there for the last 12 years. We are a group of specialists, similarly trained, similarly qualified, like-minded, ethical and conscientious doctors who are providing comprehensive care to women. A lot of strategies are put together to maintain high standards of care and also ensuring patients' safety. So that has been our motto, and we are fortunate to have nearly 12 doctors with us. Let it be fetal medicine, fertility issues, high-risk pregnancies, diabetes. We are prepared to sort it out under one umbrella.
Wow, that's amazing.
We had a beautiful baby boy that you see here, Ishan. 3 months ago, the doctors waited patiently for 40 hours after I entered the emergency because my water started leaking. The team of doctors are very humble, very approachable, and throughout my pregnancy and until delivery, the entire journey has been so memorable.
OBG is not a 9-to-5 job. A woman can come in labor pains at any time in a day or night. We should be able to cater that same quality of care to women. Emergencies can happen in OBG especially, and extra pair of hand is always required, and that is definitely we are able to get in our group practice.
This team concept has been there in many parts of the world and in very well-known hospitals.
They follow the regular roster system for patient safety. This ensures that a patient is not attended by a tired doctor for delivery.
Pregnancy is a natural phenomenon. Every woman is designed to deliver vaginally. Supporting the pregnant woman, both mentally and physically, is very important during the process. Having a vaginal birth is important for short and long-term health of both the mother and the baby. As doctors, we have to intervene only as and when it is necessary.
Hospital here is well known for normal delivery. They have an excellent team of doctors who are very cooperative and supportive. Support staff is also very helpful. I am very thankful that I chose this hospital for both my delivery.
This is my second delivery. Normally there are myths about this first baby having a C-section and the second they normally tell that it will be a C-section delivery. But here in hospital they encourage us to do yoga exercises so that we can have a normal delivery.
We will be teaching you some asanas like Baddha Konasana, Upavishta Konasana, and the squatting exercises, which is going to ease in your labor, and your labor will be shorter and easier. And yoga practices will give you the pain threshold, and you will be able to go through the labor process much more easier.
A good emotional, physical and holistic well-being of a woman is very important during pregnancy to give birth to a generation of quality progeny. Some common medical disorders would include pre-existing diabetes, hypertension in a woman prior to pregnancy, asthma, bronchial asthma, or any other endocrine disorders. All these can be pre-existing in a woman, and optimum control of such conditions prior to pregnancy is important.
We can comfortably and competently handle wide range of cases and allow things to move very naturally. We can manage women at both the end of spectrums, we can be very gentle and manage low-risk pregnancies and allow them to unfold as naturally as they can without any intervention. At the same time, we are confident and competent to manage very high-risk pregnancies and complicated pregnancies with very good outcomes.
ನನಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪ್ರೀ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸಿಂದ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೂ ದ ಜರ್ನಿ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೋ ಈಸಿ. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಹೆದರಿಸೋದಾಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಅನ್ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸೋದಾಗಲಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಂಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿ ಭಾಳ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಯಿತು. ಮೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಆಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಕೇಕ್ ವಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೀ.
Management of an high-risk pregnant women involves multidisciplinary team involvement. We need to have specialists in anesthesia, in fetal medicine, neurologists, and of course we need to have physicians who can give us input in management of various different medical problems these pregnant women may face. So as a group, we are able to provide all these care in a single place under a single roof. We do have an obstetric HTU, and we also have ICU services which our 1% of our pregnant women may need at some point during their pregnancy and labor period.
I believe that pregnancy is a natural process, and I wanted as few medical interventions as possible, and she has been really good supporting me throughout that with evidence-based practice. So I have had no concerns and no stress and a very easy pregnancy, which has been wonderful, and I'm looking forward to a natural birth in the near future, hopefully. And I cannot recommend Dr. Latha enough. She has been amazing throughout, with no stress and no worries.
We cater to a variety of newborns who may have medical and surgical problems, and we are a 25-bedded unit, and we have facilities to ventilate about 7 to 8 babies at a time. And our unit consists of 7 pediatricians and neonatologists who work round the clock in order to ensure good survival of our babies. So we cater to premature babies who are as small as 25 weeks of gestation, and I'm very proud to say that our youngest survivor is a 25-weeker who weighed only 620 grams. She's now 3 years old, and she's a nice bonny baby bouncing around. There are few babies who need major surgeries in the newborn period. For example, surgeries of the lung, surgeries of the intestine, and surgeries of the kidneys. So our team also includes 2 very competent neonatal surgeons, and these babies can be operated in the first 2 to 3 days after they are stabilized.
ನಾನು ವಿಜುವಲಿ ಇಂಪೇರ್ಡು. ಅವರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ನೋಡಿ ನಂಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಂತು, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ತುಂಬಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಆದಾಗ ವಿನುತಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಶ್ರೀಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕನ್ಸೀವ್ ಆದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು. ನನ್ನ ಮಗು ಥರ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನನ್ನ ಮಗು ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಮಗುನೂ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಸಾಲದು.
As a team of specialists, we cater to many super specialty areas of care also.
As you all know that infertility is on a rise due to various reasons like obesity, stress, lifestyle changes and also late marriages. When an infertile couple comes to our clinic, we evaluate from the basic blood test to advanced ultrasound scan. We have andrologist, embryologist and a well-trained staff. We provide services like semen analysis and HSG, that is tube testing. Also we have advanced facilities like IVF and ICSI, which means test tube baby. We have advanced procedures like surgical sperm retrieval known as PISA and TISA.
Nowadays, it has become a fashion to undergo hysterectomy. But why are we not insisting on it? Globally, it is known that surgeries has to be kept as a minimum. That is the standard of the gynecology care. And we SPOBGYN are maintaining it for many years. And our center is known to avoid unnecessary surgeries. So we are specialized in giving medical services. If required, even if a surgery is needed, we are not going to cut open the abdomen. We are giving a vaginal hysterectomy so that she can get back to her work as early as possible.
Menopausal care starts even before they stop their menstrual cycles. Menopause doesn't mean that stopping of menstruation. Menopause affects most of the things. And my ambition to make women to be young at 40, strong at 50 and independent above 60.
What is the need of establishing the adolescent clinic separately? This particular age group is the transition between childhood and adulthood. So this particular group needs a special kind of attention and understanding. They will have multiple of issues which they want to be spoken about, like menstrual problems, like drug issues, psychological problems, sexual problems, polycystic ovarian diseases, etc. So they need some specialist care and advice so that they can deal with all these problems.
ನನಗೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಲತಾ ವೆಂಕಟರಾಮ ಮತ್ತು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಭಾರ್ಗವಿ ಅವ್ರ ಟೀಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒ ಪಿ ಡಿ ಆಗಲಿ, ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಥಿಯೇಟ್ರ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ವಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಸ್ಟಾಫು, ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿದೆ, ಹೈಜಿನಿಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ನನಗೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ 8 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ತುಂಬಾ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಆಗಿ 13 ದಿನ ಆಯಿತು. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನನಗೇನು ಏನು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Not only this, it is very important for us to train the next generation of doctors who believe in the same motto. So if I am a single person, it would have been difficult. So as a team of doctors, we are able to train many more consultants and give evidence-based care to many more women. So it's very important that we give them the quality care under one umbrella.
The team regularly conducts health camps and free clinics at rural areas and slums.
The vision and mission of
our SB OBGYN team
is to give quality care
at affordable cost,
irrespective of their socio-economic background,
to all strata of society at all times.
Did I tell you? Affordable quality medical care for all at all times is possible. You can safely trust South Bengaluru OBGYN.